Continuing with the adaptation for the freewheel sprocket of the bicycle, I drilled out the hub to the correct depth for the bearing that I took out of the bicycle wheel. The bicycle bearing race is cupped at the back. It doesn't have a flat face to press against, so I'm using the angle of the bit of the drill to support the bearing at the back. So this measurement has to be quite exact. With the bearing seat now established, I just have to open up the diameter so that the bearing is a pressed fit into this housing. It helps to know what size the bearing is before you start machining the housing. And there we are, the bearing being tapped into place. Using a brass bar to drift it home. And then the whole piece drifted into the wheel itself. And for now we'll just screw the sprocket on so I can check the alignment in the actual frame. Make sure all my measurements are correct. First step seems to be okay. The wheel actually fits between the forks. The ball bearings are in place and the cones have been tightened up, so all distances should be okay. Hopefully when this nut's done up, the wheel will be free to rotate. Then I'll know if I've got all my internal dimensions correct. Little bit tight, but that could be just me over tightening the cones. The more I push it, the freer it seems to get. Here I'm putting on the front chain wheel, just loosely for now. I just want to check the chain alignment, make sure it comes straight back to the sprocket with no kinks or out of alignment. There we are, looks good to me. Confident with the alignment. This just left the actual welding of the thing into place. So everything was stripped out, all the ball bearings were taken out, and I TIG welded the actual piece that I made into the wheel. This should bring the wheel back to how it was done on the Mark 1s with just the bicycle freewheel. Thanks for watching.